What's going on, everybody? My name is Rico. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode of How to Thursday I'm going to teach you guys how to edit your audio in post. So today I was watching a video of a subscriber of mine. His name is To Emil. Check him out. I've put the link in the description down below. And he had some troubles with his audio. So I told him, hey, you can do this, you can do that, or I can make a tutorial out of it to teach you. And this is how he replied. So without further ado, let's go fix his audio. Okay, so what I've done is I've already imported his video into the timeline, and if you listen carefully you can hear some kind of hiss.
Hey yo, good morning.
It's like a high squeaking sound and it doesn't sound good. So what we're going to do is we are going to unlink the video with the audio track, and then we are going to file, my mouse went gone, file, export media, and then let me drag it over here. I'm using two monitors. We are going to use MP3 as a format, high quality, and then entire sequence, and let's call this audio Emil. And then we are going to export it. And as you can see, we have his audio file over here, which is being played right now. But the audio is still bad, so we have to fix that. And in order to do that, you can use Audacity. As you can see, I'm recording my own voice right now. So I'm going to put it to stop and switch to the microphone of my camera, so I can show you guys how it's done over here. So we're going to File, New, and here we have a new one. And then we go to Import, Audio. Audacity is a free program which you can use to record podcasts, or do as I do right now, use that audio for your vlogs to improve the quality of your audio. In order for you to get Audacity, you go to Google, you type in Audacity, and it's the first thing you see. Just install it whichever way you like it, and then you have the same layout as I have. So let's go back to Audacity so I can show you guys how to fix this problem. Alright, so as you can see right now, we're going to zoom in, which we are doing by pressing the Control and then the scroll button of the mouse. And the hiss was in the beginning. So what you want to do right now is scroll in. You can use the Control and the scroll button of the mouse. And I have to drag it to the beginning. And the hiss was somewhere in the beginning, so I'm going to select the beginning a little bit. Let me see until where he starts talking. There we go. And then we go to Effects, Noise Reduction, and then it says Noise Profile. This is in Dutch, but you have to press this button. And now it's gotten the noise profile from this little part. So you scroll out, you select the entire clip, go to Effects, Noise Reduction, press OK. And now as you can see, it's going to apply the noise reduction. Now let's see if we can still hear the noise.
Hey yo, good morning YouTube, this is Emil from How to Emil, and today we have kind of a different video.
I think it's gone, but I'm not really satisfied just yet, so I'm going to find a little place in his audio where he's not talking. I think this will be it. Going to get Effects, Noise Reduction, Noise Profile, go to scroll out, select everything, Effects, Noise Reduction, OK. Now it's going to do it again, and let's play it again.
Hey yo, good morning YouTube, this is Emil from How to Emil, and today we have kind of a different video than normally we do, because this video is hashtag do one vlog do exact.
Okay, the noise reduction is gone, so now we are going to export it. Export as MP3. Let's call this audio Emil enhanced, save, and you can give it a name, track title, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, now we're back in the timeline. Now we're going to import the audio, which is this one. And then we are going to remove this audio, and we are going to fill in this audio. Now let's see how that looks.
Morning YouTube, this is Emil from How to Emil, and today we have kind of a different video than normally we do, because this video is hashtag do one vlog.
Now as you can see, the hiss is gone. I think the audio is a little bit too distorted, so I'm going to do this process again, but instead of doing it twice, I'm going to do it once, put it back on the timeline, and let's see how that sounds. Okay, so I've done it again, so let's put it under there, and let's see what happens.
Hey yo, good morning YouTube, this is Emil from How to Emil, and today we have kind of a different video than normally.
And that's it, so go check out his channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. There's one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to that like button. Consider subscribing if you like what you saw, and if you want to see more of it, hit the bell button to be the first to be notified when I drop or release a new video. And until next time, doei!